Everything starts with a clear technical drawing that shows the shape, measurements, and details of the project drawn to scale, ensuring accuracy. Next, prepare a cutting list as a table that lists every part needed, its dimensions, how many pieces to cut, plus the tools required. Then, choose suitable materials such as mahogany, iroko, or plywood, and select fasteners like nails, screws, and glue. After that, cut and assemble the wood using joining methods like butt joints or dovetail joints, ensuring careful measuring for neat results. Finally, finish the project by sanding, painting, varnishing, or polishing while following safety practices like wearing goggles and handling tools carefully.